Introducing the 2025 Skoda Enyaq FL RS, a game-changing electric vehicle for the modern driver. This stunning estate Jeep boasts a sleek black exterior that turns heads wherever you go. With an automatic transmission and registered new in 2025, this vehicle is cutting edge in every way. But it's not just about looks with the Skoda Enyaq. This electric powerhouse is packed with features that will enhance your driving experience. From air conditioning and satellite navigation to collision avoidance, braking and lane departure warning, safety and comfort are top priorities. In addition to the impressive array of comfort and safety features, this vehicle also includes stylish extras like privacy glass, roof rails, and a spoiler. With a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Don't miss out on the opportunity to drive the future with the 2025 Skoda Enyaq FL RS. Call us today or visit our website at spiritskoda.ie for more information on how you can get behind the wheel of this incredible vehicle. Experience the power, style, and innovation of the Skoda Enyaq for yourself. Your next adventure awaits.